So guys, this is A6 Hall Minerals Expo Munich 2024. Today is the opening day for the public. So there is A5, and then you can see this is a central aisle of the A6. Some of the most beautiful and interesting mineral specimens from around the globe. This is amethyst, very celestine, beautiful piece, and this is bicolor fluorite. That is a cluster of fluorite, purple color, beautiful amethyst geode. That is the mango quartz from Colombia. Some very interesting stuff here as well. So that is garnet, beautiful garnet. So wonderful. Some more interesting stuff. This hematite is so beautiful, and then black coral, and then this is huge geode garnet, hessonite probably, and some tourmaline. The topaz from Pakistan. It's another aquamarine. This beautiful tourmaline. So guys, just want to make a video for you so you can enjoy it. Look at these beautiful smoky quartz. This wonderful fluorite. This is fluorite and galena. This amazonite. The garnet interdite. Black. Probably melanite, and this is gwendol. Look at this beautiful, beautiful calcite. And then that is gwendol. These are gold nuggets. It's an Italian tourmaline, magnificent. Look at this crown. It's tourmaline of aesthetics. Very aesthetical.
Oh, birra e pizzetta le sapevo tu vai stanotte. Lo sai che ti ha fatto la birra o la pizzetta? Ma la gonfiame la mano.
Beautiful.
Mai mangiare la pizza.
Just wonderful. And a lot of interesting stuff here. Stitched quartz. And look at this tourmaline, interesting. That wonderful quartz. Look at this piece, guys. Super amazing. Tourmaline on quartz. It's a magnificent size. This is just amazing. So look at this fluoroepitite. That is ferrite quartz pyrite. Wow, look at this beautiful white fluorite, amazing, so beautiful. So wonderful specimens. So this is the Crystal Classics in the front, and they have the biggest booth. Yeah, regarding the size, and the setup is so big. Look at these beautiful horse.
Good morning.
Morning.
Dana, good.
How are you?
Super fine. You?
Good? Very good. Beautiful 39. Oh, I think it's not 39, but it's true tall inside corners. But those are nice sizes. Wow, look at this tamburite. Wow, never seen anything like it this big. Probably from Mexico. Yeah, Mexico. Wow. Such a size, guys. A lot of crystals and clusters together. Look at this smoky. Wow, beautiful azurite, fluorite. What is this? Is cerussite. Beautiful. Oh wow. Look at these tourmaline. Superb. So this, guys, this is the Crystals Classics. So I'm going to. This is beautiful. This is rhodochrosite, and this is rose quartz, and a lot of nice stuff. Smithsonite, and that is morganite. Look at this aquamarine. Beautiful. So there's like a lot of dealers from different places. Look, guys. Look at that beautiful bergersite. That is beautiful. Indeed, the green and white. This is fluorite, like blue color. Look at this etched amethyst. This is magnificent. It's wonderful. So some of the booths are yet to open, while a lot of them are already open. This is the morning time, a fresh new day. So hope you enjoyed my little clip. Fluorite. So this is a central bar and mineral bar, 86. Is this a lot of Chinese stuff? Money. This is from, I think it's from China. These are emeralds. Beautiful. Fluorite. This gamma site. So this is just the one hall, and there are a lot of booths, but I have to open my booth as well, so just took some time for you to enjoy how it looks like here. Thank you guys.